can put some hands together if you feel like it.
Beautiful, lovely synchronicity.
Mike, relax a little. Yeah, you seem a little tenser. Come on, Rachel, put your back in here, really.
This will be the first time anyone has loved me. I'm so glad they found me in time. I'm so glad that he rectified my mind. This will be an everlasting love for me. Oh, loving you is so kind of wonderful because you've shown me just how much you care. You've given me the thrill of a lifetime, and you made me believe you've got more thrills to spare. Oh, this will be an everlasting love. Oh, yes, it will now. Ooh, you brought a lot of sunshine into my life. You filled me with happiness I never knew. You gave me more joy than I ever could have dreamed of. And no one, nobody can take the place of you. This will be
Perfect synchronicity. Oh, beautiful.
eternally. All of the squeezing and kissing and facing together forever, through whatever. Yeah, 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 yeah. You and me. So long as I'm living true love, I'll be giving to you. I'll be serving 'cause you're so deserving. Hey, you're so deserving. You're so deserving. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Love, 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 love. From now on, yeah. From now on, what you say? From now on, yeah. From now on, I get it. From now on, from now on, yeah. Should I know? From now,
Now that's what I'm talking about.
You know, the relationship with Mike and Rachel is, you know, it's so special, isn't it? It's what really inspired us, and we're actually sitting at the spot where they camped. They were actually here, you know,
Right here.
right here.
They made us realise how much we have in common, you know, like
And it's kind of redefined the love that we have for each other.
we've realised that we both like soup.
Yeah, and we both
We actually think that
Like-
we should get married again, maybe.
flowers,
Like
and,
this.
and we've had they've given us an epiphany, haven't they?
Bit
I mean,
like that.
how much more love can you have?
None more.
None more.
None more.
None more. Amazing.
All right. Relax.
Look at the camera.
Something. Yeah, so Rachel and Mike, congratulations, and I think you make a fantastic couple, and we wish you all the best. And we were asked to speak a little bit about, give some advice, and I think there's some, the advice I give is just don't sweat the small stuff. You're on a journey, and if Mike snores, it's a little thing, and just move on with it. So don't sweat the
Are you
small
saying
stuff.
anything about me snoring? What I'd say this to you, Mike, she's right all the time until she mentions that she's wrong. And then just nod agreement. Don't rub it in. Rule number one. Rule number two, at least once a year, just huff your feathers and sort of strike out and say no. Just once. That's all you've got to do. Once a year, tell her no, and then life will be good. But seriously, you've got a great relationship, you two. We wish you all the best. We think that you're a great couple, and we're sure that you're going to do well. And we're always around if you want to know what not to do, because we've done everything wrong for at least once, and we've sort of worked our way around it.
And I remember when we were trying to and the rabbi was trying to tell us how many camels ours were. One of the things, the piece of advice we got was to treat each other like royalty.
That's right. Treat each other like
That's
royalty.
right.
Oh.
You do the
So,
same.
Mike, you treat her like a queen,
And-
and
Rachel, remember, he's your king.
okay.
Now that's what I'm talking about.